Pest prevention must begin before the first shovel hits the ground and continue through landscaping to keep a new home construction site pest-free. Start with a pre-site inspection to identify local pest pressures, soil conditions, and nearby wood sources so you can tailor treatments to actual risk. Treat the foundation and backfill before slab or crawl space work, applying labeled termiticide or a physical barrier according to local code and manufacturer directions. Ensure consistent trench depth and avoid soil compaction that can break the barrier. Pre-treat framing with a waterborne borate product applied to all exposed framing and sheathing. Borates penetrate wood and provide long-lasting protection against carpenter ants, wood boring, beetles, and decay when applied to clean, dry surfaces. During envelope closure, seal all penetrations and utility entries with durable materials such as copper mesh, foam backer rod with caulk, or cementitious sealants to prevent rodent and insect entry. Pay close attention to roof eaves, plumbing vents, and sill plates. After landscaping, install and monitor bait stations or monitoring devices around the perimeter and in service spaces to detect activity early. Position stations according to label spacing and record GPS or measured locations for follow-up. Schedule formal inspections at drywall installation and at the final walkthrough so you catch breaches in barriers, missed treatments, or new infestations before homeowners move in. Contractors often skip the pre-site inspection because they think it costs too much, but the fix is to include a checklist item in pre-construction meetings and budget a small allocation for a qualified inspector to map risks. Another common issue is improper application of barrier treatments where trenches are too shallow or materials are contaminated. Prevent this by supervising initial trenches, keeping treatment areas clean, and insisting on certified applicators and verification photos. A third frequent problem is delaying sealing until after exterior finishes when access becomes difficult and gaps remain. Avoid this by scheduling a sealing pass at envelope closure with a tight punch list for all penetrations and by assigning one crew member responsibility for penetration records. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who understand these staged pest control needs and helps contractors list services and reach new clients. We also host a discussion community where builders, pest professionals, and homeowners share real-world solutions and timing tips.